You know what? I am very proud of myself like right now because I found that one tool. That tool that enables you to generate your images with consistent characters from start to finish. That tool that stops you from jumping from AI to A to generate your script, to AI to B to generate your videos, to AI to C to animate your images. That problem is an old issue. It is solved in this video. This is why you need to watch this video from start to finish, because with this video you will be able to use this platform the way it should be used. With this video you will be able to get 300 free credits. I repeat, 300 free credits for just using this platform. So what are you waiting for? Come with me. Let me show you the video I generated using this platform before I take you over to what the interface looks like. Do not skip any part of this video. Follow it step by step. Come with me, please.
My dear Amara, I always believed the words I never said out loud were the ones that mattered most. There will be days when the world feels heavier than you can carry. On those days, do not put down your dreams. Put down your fear. You were always the bravest thing I ever made, and I made you on purpose. So rise, my girl. The world is still waiting for what only you can give it. With all my love, always, Dad.
Hello, you're welcome to your personal AI video agent partner. So in order for you to enjoy this platform the way you should, all you have to do is for you to click on the link in my description box, or you go ahead to click on the link in my comment section. Now, once you click on this link, go ahead and sign up on this platform using either your email account or your Google account. Now, after signing up, you will receive 100 free credits. Once you receive this 100 free credits, kindly use it to test this platform. Now, as you're testing the platform, you will be given additional 200 free credits, making it a total of 300 credits. Guys, you won't get this anywhere else. If you go ahead to click on models, you will see the available models on this platform, ranging from Sedans 2.0 down to Happy Horse, down to Clean, down to Grok Imagine, down to 11 Labs. Guys, name them. We have lots of models here. If you look below here, you will see what is known on this platform as Skill. Skill was designed by professionals. So if you don't want to start something afresh, you may want to use any of the skill to design your work. In a situation where you don't like those ones you're seeing, like right here, go ahead and click on more skill. Once you click on it, it will take you to many of them. Look at them here, guys. Any one of your choice. You need drama, you want to do commercial, mini drama, music, product showcase, product design. Guys, just come here and click on anyone. So let's assume I want to use this one. I've gone ahead to click on it. Immediately I click on it, it brought me to this interface. Now we have introduction, we have content. If I want to use it, I can just go ahead and click on use skill. Now once you go ahead to click on use skill, it will bring you to this interface. Once it brings you to this interface here, you can go ahead to paste your prompt. Copy my prompt. Now here is it.
So after pasting your prompt, it will begin to analyze it this way for you. Unlike other platforms where if you make a mistake in the course of generating your videos, generating your images, you will have to start afresh. It is not like that on Flova. As it is generating for you, you will be earning more free credit. So all you have to do is for you to go through the chart. If there is any mistake, you go ahead to tell it what to do. So at this point, personally, I am more than satisfied with what it did for me. So at this point, I'll go ahead and tell it to proceed. Now, if you're not satisfied, you can go ahead and make your corrections. Now, once it is done, you can go ahead and export. But before we export, let me show you something, and that thing is character consistency. Guys, can you see this? Can you see the character consistency that Flova AI has given to me? This is top notch. You won't even get this anywhere else. Look at Amara. Look at my character Amara.
So let's assume you want to create everything yourself. You don't want to use the skill. All you have to do is for you to paste your prompt here. Now once you paste your prompt, you go ahead to choose a model. I'll be using Seedance 2.0 for this. You go ahead and hit generate. Now once you hit generate, it will begin to analyze your prompt for you. So if you look at the right hand side here, you notice that it is already analyzing. Here it has told me that my skill is ready. If I want to use this skill next time, of course I can always use it. If I want to save it for later use, if I want to save it so that other persons can use it, fine. It is all left for me. Now let me show you something else which is also very, very important. You know, it says my skill is ready. If I scroll down like this, you see narrative short film, voiceover reference, you see the model. Of course I told you to use Seedance 2.0, so it has told me here that it is doing it exactly as I requested. Character consistency. Guys, all you have to do is for you to go through all of this. If you want it to proceed, you go ahead and hit proceed, just like the way I did mine here. So guys, there's something else I want to show you from here. Can you see this prompt? Can you see this regenerate? Now, in a situation where you're not comfortable with this, you can always regenerate. Now, let me tell Flova something. Here, I'll go ahead and say, save it as a skill. As I went ahead to tab render, if you check like right here, you'll notice that it is already generating my assets for me.
After generating your asset, it will go ahead to arrange it this way for you on your timeline, and by the time you get to this stage, it will give you more free credit.
So if you want to play it, you can go ahead and unpause it from this place. If you want to save it individually, you can go ahead and save it, but personally I love it the way it is. So at this point, I'll go ahead and hit export. If you look up here, you'll see export. I'm going ahead to hit export. I'll go ahead and click video. I don't have a career in music, but with this platform, I think I need to try something. Guys, come with me as I click on generator. So as I clicked on generator, it brought me to this interface. If you want to generate a video, you want to generate an image, you want to generate music, guys, it's music I want to try. So I don't have lines. I'll just go ahead and drop a little thing in my mind, very little. I believe I can fly. I believe I can move mountain. I believe. So I'll go ahead and click on the model that is available. We have these two models, so I'll choose this one. I've gone ahead to choose Suno, and here I'll go ahead and hit generate. Guys, looking at it like right now, it is ready. So all I'll go ahead and do is for me to click on this download. I will download it and we will listen to it together.
With Flova, my music career has just started. Let me know if you'll be trying it out in the comment section. Let me know if you have questions. Let me know if you want me to make another video featuring Flova AI. See you guys in my next video, and bye for now. I love you guys now and always.